What is up, math superstars? In this edition of Mr. Peterson Presents, I'm bringing to you how to cross-simplify when multiplying and dividing fractions. So here we're going to give you a couple examples here on how to cross-simplify. So before we even deal with how to multiply these two fractions together, let's take a look at how to cross-simplify these. So this works for multiplication and division of fractions. So here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the denominator of our first fraction, which is 3, and the numerator of our second fraction is 6. And so what we can do is find the greatest common factor between 3 and 6 is 3. So what we do is we divide those two numbers by 3. And that's going to 3 divided by 3 equals 1. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. And if we cross-simplified the numerator of 2 and the denominator of 10, we know that our greatest common factor is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. And so if we go ahead now and rewrite our fractions here, we could say that 2/3 times 6/10 is the same as 1/1 times 2/5. So now let's go ahead and try to cross-simplify when we have a mixed number. So in order to do this, we need to rewrite our mixed number into an improper fraction. So 3 times 2 gives us 6, plus 1 is going to give us 7. So let's go and rewrite 2 1/3 as 7/3 times 6/14. So now let's go ahead and cross-simplify. So let's go look at 3 and 6. So our greatest common factor is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So now let's go ahead and cross-simplify 7 and 14. So our greatest common factor of 7 and 14 is 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1, and 14 divided by 7 is 2. So when we go ahead and rewrite these two fractions now, we can rewrite these as 1/1 times 2/2. And we can even simplify 2/2 now. So we can simplify as 1/1 times 1/1. And so you can see there's benefits to cross-simplifying, because if we didn't, we would end up going through the steps of multiplication and then having to simplify at the end.